So I wanted to show you guys how you can also use your flour sack towels instead of just using a snappy or a boingo or pins, because sometimes we lose something or we just don't have them on hand. So one way you can use them is to fold it down like an insert and just literally just place it on the cover like that and then put it in. So how to do that, in case you're wondering, it's literally just the big square, fold it in half, fold it in half again, and then, adjust to size. If you don't have covers, you can also stuff them in a pocket. Just put them in there. Or you can lay it on top. And then just put on. Another way is if you still want to keep your fold that you like. So this one I just folded it down to fit the smaller. You can, this is crystal, you can just put it on how you would normally put it on. And then while you kind of have it held there, you just put the cover on. I'll just do it really quickly.